एक मिनट वैसे अब वापस नहीं आना है 10 मिनट तक। सर
हाँ जी, माइक टेस्ट 1। हाँ रेडी।
What is the best advice you have ever received, and which is the worst?
I think the best advice that I've ever received is to not wait. If you want to do anything, you should do it right now. And the worst advice and the worst tagline that I've heard is that good things happen to those who are patient.
If you could eat one meal for the rest of your life, which one?
Pizza, definitely pizza.
Which movie character you would like to be if given chance?
I think I would be Po from Kung Fu Panda because I would eat as much as I want and still be the complete embodiment of awesomeness.
Ever had a pet? What was the name of your first pet and why?
I once had a chicken and he was just called Cuckoo because I was very little and we were really connected until I ate it.
If you could choose another profession than the current one, which one would it be?
I think I would be like an archaeologist because there are two things that I love, history and traveling, and you combine those two and you would get like an archaeologist or something like that.
DSG is not DSG
Without the people, because the wonderful culture that we have here, it wouldn't be there if the people weren't there.